Ladies and gentlemen, comrades and friends, our guest of honor today has dedicated his entire life to serving the people of Zimbabwe. His eminent liberation war credentials speak volumes about his loyal sacrifice and diligence in serving this great nation of Zimbabwe. In post-independent Zimbabwe, our guest of honor continued to consistently exude political, civil, and developmental acumen as he has served in various government and ministerial portfolios with distinction since 1980, culminating in being appointed Vice President of Zimbabwe in 2014. We are all aware that upon his ascendance to the helm of the leadership of the Revolutionary Party, ZANU-PF, and government in 2017, the guest of honor envisioned a private sector-driven economy to improve the people's livelihoods. Thus, government is providing the necessary enabling environment for infrastructure development as demonstrated by the groundbreaking ceremony for the Gwai-Shangani-Bulawayo pipeline and the commissioning of the Namandov Aquifer water supply expansion project we are witnessing today.